Alright, just got my dinner. Got my money for the trip, so we out. Definitely want to make sure the camera's on just in case somebody trying to do some bullshit. Cut in front of a motherfucker. No cops giving out them frivolous tickets. You know how that go. You know, riding while black. You know how that go. Kind of fun. Yeah, this power grip pedal tape is really holding on. The fact that it went through the highway speeds and everything, it's definitely a good tape to keep the camera on there. I mean, there's no case on the camera, it's just fully out there. It's a Sony Action Cam AS15. Have it at 1080p at 60 frames per second, so you know it's catching things pretty good. A lot of space though, I'll tell you that much, but as far as gigabytes and stuff, just like on a 10-minute video, but still very good quality video. Definitely will catch the thing that needs to catch. Pushing that super scooter. Try and get up on them highway speeds, boy. That's why I like the scooter, because it's kind of like, you know, again, I can get up to highway speed, but I don't necessarily have to deal with the shifting. The only thing I think could be an issue is when you're going downhill and downhill curves, especially, because you can't kind of downshift to deal with engine speed. So now you're braking, and if it's a really sharp curve and long curve, I think they call that a decreasing radius curve, but if it's very long, then you're kind of like, you're either trying to straighten up the bike in the curve to brake, or you're trail braking with the rear brake a lot, and it's not as comfortable as I think maybe downshifting would be to reduce the speed. So that's the only thing I think, you know, automatic CVT transmission kind of bike has an issue with. But other than that, you know, I like the idea of not having to deal with shifting. You know, twist and go. Yeah. The definitely thing I need to learn and work on is my lean angles and being comfortable with leaning. That's the one thing I haven't really gotten into, because I feel like I'm gonna fall or something, or, you know, definitely gotta look into your turn, roll on the throttle as you're going through the curve. You know, those are the things I need to work on better. I'm not trying to be Rossi and put a knee down, but I am trying to somewhat speed up the turns, because that's going to be an issue when it comes to tailgaters. I slow down maybe a little too much. I mean, I slow down to wherever I'm comfortable, I think, and at the same time people behind me need to pay attention and shit, but at the end of the day, I'm the one on a bike, so if they rear end me, I'm the one who's fucked, not them, you know what I mean? So that's why I really want to practice that more, of kind of going into curves a little bit faster and a little bit smoother. Feel me? So yeah, second moto vlog of the day, first day of moto vlogging. It's kind of interesting, you know, really fun experience. So again, wind in my hair, I'm out in the elements. You know, when traffic starts to get rough, you can kind of get in between things. You know, I'm not saying lane split, but I am saying kind of you're able to filter more and kind of get through some of the drama that cars kind of leave, the space in the road that's still available, that's only a bike can navigate, and that a 2-ton vehicle with only one person in it, you know, that's not gonna cut it. And at the end of the day, I think you're wasting more gas, you're kind of wasting the environment a little bit, it's very inefficient, and I definitely like the idea of more riding, more people riding, I think. You know? So, you know, I'm a newbie in the game, so I think I'm at that excited riding point. But I think it's also cool, like, I'm doing something that other people cannot do, which is cool, I think. You know, not everyone can be a motorcyclist. I think most people can be drivers, and I believe most motorcyclists are drivers, but most drivers are not motorcyclists. So it's cool to kind of be in part of that club, even if I am on an automatic motorcycle or scooter, whatever people want to call it. And anyway, scooter just means the style of bike. This is not one of them little bitty 50cc I don't need a license for. Like, I need a license for this. This is getting me on the highway and back. So this is definitely a motorcycle. It says it on my plate. State of Connecticut thinks it's a motorcycle. If I didn't have a license, I couldn't be riding this legally. So for all my scooter non-fans, motorcycle riders who say us automatic bikers are not real bikers, hey, whatever. I'm out here, you're out here, we're all out here, we're all riders. I think we have the same thing in common. We're on 2 wheels. There's a biker right behind me. That's what's up. So, you know, whatever. This is one of the things I need to work on, is the on the go left turn, because I don't do that too well. I think I definitely brake a little harder than I would like. That one was a good lean. Then one time I leaned too much and I was scraping, so I need to get that throttle control on that turn, that faster, sharper left turn. Working on my counter steering there, which I still haven't fully mastered, but I'm getting there. It's probably gonna take years of riding to master certain things. And again, I'm not even ready to deal with shifting right now. I don't know if I'll ever be ready. I'll never want to be honest. It's already enough to deal with on a bike. But hey, whatever. Alright, back on the scene.